and MDI, a NGO of the Nepal, basically involved in the agroforestry works. You see the degraded hills in our Nepal, which consist more than 2/3 of the landscape of our total area of the country, and with greater than 30-degree slopes, we have more than 2/3 again. So generally, from 18-degree, more than 18-degree slopes, general cultivation is not recommended. But in our area, many indigenous communities, they cultivate in such slope greater than 30-degree. So this is the slash and burn practice, emitting a lot of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and at the same time, the landslides and also the downstream river depositions contaminating the river water also. These are the basic situation. And what we intervened, that we have basically involved the banana with mobilizing all the community, indigenous communities of Nepal. Almost we have covered 4,000 families, indigenous families in this area, and with pineapples. And this is basically from the shifting cultivation to the sustainable farming in the sloping uplands of Nepal that we are doing. And with the broom grass in lot of sloping areas, and the contour hedgerow system, you see, so that the soil erosion checks, and it is multiple plant, so the grass is very much edible to the animals, and also the soil erosion controls with this hedgerow system, and ultimately people are getting the very good income by selling bananas, broom grass, you see, a lot of, and beekeeping, also the livelihood on the goat raising. So at the same time, people are getting the income, and at the same time, the land is coming into the well-conserved area. Conservation plus livelihood. We have two focuses. So this is the basic output of our project area, and some 4,000 families, particularly the more than 80% indigenous communities, the community is getting benefit in their livelihood, as well as involved in the conservation of the sloping lands of our country.